Picture this. A business purchases a company based on the seller's claim of substantial profits. After the deal, it transpires that the figures were inflated. The business has lost millions due to this misrepresentation. Imagine the shock of the buyers, who were expecting a lucrative venture, only to find themselves in a financial quagmire. It's like buying a shiny apple only to find it rotten at the core. The outside promised health and satisfaction, but the inside delivered disappointment and loss. In business terms, this is known as misrepresentation, a deceptive practice where one party provides false information that influences another party's decision to enter into a contract. Misrepresentation is a serious matter with far-reaching implications. It can lead to legal battles, financial losses, and damage to reputation. This is just one example of how misrepresentation can turn a promising business deal into a nightmare. Misrepresentation in business contracts can take various forms. Let's delve into three main types: innocent, negligent, and fraudulent misrepresentation. First up, innocent misrepresentation. This occurs when one party makes a false statement honestly believing it to be true. Picture a seller who genuinely thinks a product has a certain feature, but it turns out it doesn't. The seller didn't mean to deceive, but has innocently misrepresented the goods. If proven, the wronged party can cancel the contract or claim damages. Next, we have negligent misrepresentation. This is when a party makes a false statement carelessly, without checking its accuracy. Imagine a business owner who provides incorrect financial data to a potential investor without double-checking the figures. The negligence here can lead to the contract being set aside, and damages may be claimed. Lastly, there's fraudulent misrepresentation. This is the serious one. It involves knowingly making a false statement with the intent to deceive. Envision a company purposely exaggerating its market share to attract investors. This is fraudulent, and the legal consequences are severe, including rescission of the contract and substantial damages. From innocent errors to deliberate deceit, misrepresentation can have serious implications. Each type carries its own set of legal consequences and potential remedies, so understanding them is crucial to navigate the complex world of business contracts. Misrepresentation doesn't just lead to a bad deal, it can result in severe legal consequences. Imagine a scenario where a business contract is affected by misrepresentation. This could lead to the contract being voided entirely, leaving both parties in a precarious situation. Now consider the financial implications. Damages are calculated based on the loss suffered due to the misrepresentation. So, if a company misrepresented the potential earnings of a business venture, the injured party could claim for the lost profits they were led to expect. This could amount to a hefty sum. Compensation isn't just about recovering losses. It's also about restoring the injured party to the position they would have been in had the misrepresentation not occurred. This might include additional costs incurred as a result of the misrepresentation. As you can see, the legal implications of misrepresentation in business contracts are far-reaching and can be financially devastating. So, how can businesses protect themselves against the risks of misrepresentation? Well, the first line of defense is due diligence. It's about crossing your T's and dotting your I's. Thoroughly vet all information before entering a contract. Confirm facts, verify credentials, and scrutinize financials. This meticulous process can help uncover any false or misleading statements. Next, we cannot emphasize enough the importance of professional legal advice. Lawyers are skilled in navigating the complexities of contract law. They can spot potential areas of misrepresentation that may elude the untrained eye. So make sure you have an experienced legal counsel on your team when drafting or reviewing contracts. Lastly, let's talk about training and awareness. Misrepresentation risks are not just an executive-level concern. All employees involved in business negotiations, contract drafting, or contract management should understand the basics of contract law and the potential pitfalls of misrepresentation. Regular training programs can help ensure everyone is on the same page. These strategies are not foolproof, but they significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to misrepresentation. Misrepresentation in business can be a costly mistake, but with due diligence, professional legal advice, and proper training, you can build a strong shield against it. By taking these steps, businesses can significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to misrepresentation. Remember, prevention is better than cure, and knowledge is your greatest ally in this fight. Book a consultation today to discuss your legal matter by clicking the button.